Welcome to my channel, Who is Grace? Can you guess the country just by the first two letters? Test your geography skills in this fun and exciting quiz. Think you know the world? Let's find it out. Guess the first country. First two letters are C and A. Yes, you are right. It's Canada. Now question number 2. The first two letters are C and H. China is the right answer. Quiz number 3. The first two letters are I and N. Tell the country name. Correct answer is India. Quiz number 4. The first two letters are B and R. Brazil is the correct answer. Quiz number 5. Two letters are F and R. The right answer is France. Now this one. The first two letters are G and E. Germany is the correct answer. Quiz number 7. First two letters are J and A. Tell the country name. The country is Japan. Quiz number 8. Guess the country name. The first two letters are M and E. Good. You are correct. This is Mexico. Quiz number 9. The first two letters are I and T of this country. Guess the country name. Oh, you are right. This is Italy. Quiz number 10. S and P are two letters. First two letters. Guess the country name. The right answer is Spain. This country name has so many letters. First two letters are A and U. Can you guess the country name? Oh yes, this is Australia. Guess the following country. First two letters are A and R. The right answer is Argentina. Quiz number 13. Guess the country with first two letters E and G. Egypt is the correct answer. Quiz number 14. The first two letters are G and R. Can you guess the country? Greece is the right answer. Quiz number 15. Guess the country with two first letters T and H. Right answer is Thailand. Quiz number 16. First two letters are S and W. Guess the country. Right answer is Sweden. Now quiz number 17. First two letters are N and O. Guess the country. Norway is the right answer. Can you guess the country with F and I? Yes, you are right. This is Finland. Question number 18. Guess the country name that starts with R and U. The right answer is Russia. Quiz number 19. First two letters are M and O. Guess the country. The country is Morocco. Can you guess the country with first two letters S and A? The country is Saudi Arabia. Quiz number 21. First two letters of this quiz is S and O. The country is South Africa. First two letters are N and E. Guess the country. The country is Netherlands. Now, quiz number 23. The first two letters are B and E. The country is Belgium. Question number 24. First two letters are P and O. Poland is the right answer. Quiz number 25. First two letters are T and U. Guess the country name. Turkey is the right answer. Now quiz number 26. And two first letters are I and R. The correct answer is Iran. Quiz number 27. Again, the first two letters are I and R. Now it's Iraq. Guess the country name by first two letters. They are V and I. The right answer is Vietnam. Quiz number 29. Guess the country by its first two letters. They are P and E. Oh, you are correct. This is Peru. Quiz number 30. This is the final one. First two letters are E and C. The right answer is Ecuador. Like this video? Please comment, share and like, and please subscribe my channel.